Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare Paneer Dosa. Before starting the recipe, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos as soon as I upload them. So let's get started and have a look at the ingredients required. Here I have some finely chopped onions, some finely chopped tomatoes, some finely chopped green chilies, some grated paneer, chopped fresh coriander leaves, some green chutney spread. I have the recipe for this chutney on my channel. I'll share the link below in the description box if you want to check it out. Batter to prepare dosa, some salt to taste. Now let's move on to the gas stove and we'll start preparing the dosa. So here I have the dosa tawa heating on a high heat. We'll let the tawa heat nicely and then we'll start preparing the dosa. Now the tawa is nice and hot. I'll sprinkle some water to cool it down. And with the paper towel, we'll wipe. Now I'll pour in the batter and spread it. Now we'll let the top of the dosa dry out nicely. Now I'll add some ghee on top. Now we'll take the green chutney spread and we'll spread it all over the dosa. Next we will add in some onions, tomatoes, some green chilies. Next goes in some grated paneer, some coriander leaves, and we'll sprinkle some salt to taste. You can even sprinkle some chaat masala on top. And we let the vegetables cook for a minute. Now our dosa is all ready. Let's fold it. And we will take this out in a serving plate. So here our paneer dosa is all ready to be served. I am serving this along with peanut chutney and sambar. So do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.